Dang, boost gauge?
Yep.
Weight reduction? Okay.
Oh shit.
Oh, rocket.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Dude, every day I watch that fucking clip you took of that poor little Indian child.
You do it every day. It's on that little log right there. He watches that clip every day of that little Indian kid.
This is a weight reduction.
Oh, it is just a bunch of assholes.
On today's episode, we got Trevor Cockamorris. Trevor Cockamorris, can you please give us a rundown on this 1974 Chevy Nova?
It's blue.
Wow.
It's got 4 wheels.
Wow.
A couple lights.
Wow. Is this a Super Sport Nova?
No, unfortunately not.
Okay. Are you gonna go super fast?
Yes.
How fast?
One day.
How many days?
I think 60 miles an hour.
67 miles an hour.
So the lever comes up.
There's only lap belts in the bag, right?
Oh, yes.
Hey, let me okay.
Oh, I can't. I keep trying to. Try this one.
What do you see? How it's all Mickey Moused?
Flip the switch.
It literally, this is a fucking extension cord.
There's a whole house feature.
Oh!
This little window.
Little window opens hard.
Oh shit, that shit's on a track.
Oh! What are you doing? Trying to use the AC or the fucking heaters?
It's working.
There is no AC.
Hella gauges. Oil gauge.
Yeah, at least the important shit works. There's just no light behind it. I can't see the fucking
No, we'll do that shit right now. This is your only little window right here, bro. But the froster's somewhat working, I'm telling you. Nah, it's not working.
Oh, I actually do feel it.
See, I told
How do
you.
you turn it up higher?
It is on high.
Alright, vlog, let's go with it. We're out here in Ventura. Got Yayugo, got the VMCs, and we got the dancing going on. This is the vibe. This is a cool little diner. What? Right after you just say, look at his Nick the Freak. He loves Nick the Freak right there.
Gosh, bro. Oh, ain't no fucking way we just Nick the fucking Greek like that.
Nick! He's good.
How's it dead on a Friday?
It's dead out here. There's no vloggage.
They're fancy, but like they're hoes.
The dog, the cat, the fish was home when you left. You're right. And that's the reason you left. You're right. I left my home.
I don't think I got money for Zoltar, man.
Oh, you don't have dollars? I only got 20s too. Milka. This is actually pretty good. This brand is pretty good. Good old Duffy. Good old Duffy. Beautiful fish tank.
Oh, this is real.
They got pickle it.
Silos.
Okay, yeah, okay. How much is that? These
I'm black.
are goated. Oh, you gotta get the darker one. Be like, yeah, look at that. I honestly need these. Should I get one or too many hands? Just one on the 5. Oh, he found it.
Jesse, we have to cook.
Dude,
And it's a whole steak flavor, dude.
Strawberry shortcake Kit Kat is crazy, bro.
Don't ask me why I
You
like
would put a mushroom in your mouth.
Feels like mine dog cookie.
Oh,
I like that you can smell the ocean.
it's nice out here. Very nice. Whole ass mission yesterday. Scored these as well. Rancho struts, basura. Got the strut installed. At Lompoc Smogs to show off our truck. I'm just showing off my truck. I'm going around town just showing off my truck.
Oh my lordy lord.
Doesn't it look so much better?
You're trying to be like Daddy Long.
Yeah.
Little tire kickers.
Check this out, check this out.
Put those in yourself?
Yeah.
Good boy.
It rubs. Like right here. It'll be slightly.
Self clearance.
Yeah, eventually over time it'll just like.
Yo, what are you doing?
I'm just vlogging. I'm just showing off my new truck. Not new
Josh,
truck.
wanna go to fucking Famoso to go film?
I'm down to go anywhere.
You have to get a
Look
hotel.
at me.
You have to sleep with me though. What the?
Sleep in a tent if I have to. I slept in a tent with you.
Hey yo, yeah, and then you fucking got dizzy.
Huh?
Ow!
Snap on. Employee of the month, employee of the week, employee of the day, every day.
Daily employee.
We got engines and we got Carlos did this. Carlos is all happy.